Welcome to another product review, my friends. Today I'm checking out the hoyiours hygrometer. This is a 3-pack, and what it comes with is 3 of these handy little devices. On the bottom, you see the humidity range. It has a little smiley face when we're within range of a proper, comfortable range for humidity. Um, and the top is for our temperature, and you can change it. It has a little button on the back for Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you can place these throughout the house to see, just kind of get a quick read on your temperature and humidity. And we have this infrared thermometer right here. So these are really close to the accurate reading there for sure. So there's that. And you can place these around the house to be able to gauge what your temperature is and the humidity. So I placed one in my bathroom, and then I have another one here for the kitchen. And we can see our humidity there is a little bit higher than in the bathroom, temperature a little lower. And let's see, really close to the same temperature there. And finally, I placed one here in the bedroom. So different temperatures, different humidities. It's nice to just be able to read where everything is at.